Welcome to InstaDApp's developer tutorial series. So today in this video, you will be learning how you can use Tenderly's new simulation feature for debugging purpose. So first we'll try some spell which will throw an error and then we'll debug that error by simulating the transaction in Tenderly. So let's get started. Now the first thing that we're going to do is open tenderly.co, and if you don't have any account set up for Tenderly, then you can just create one, and now we'll just directly go to the dashboard. And from here I'll go to the simulator from the sidebar and I'll just create a new simulation. So before going further, I'll just make you understand what the code is which I'm going to run. So here's the code, and in the code I'm trying to require the libraries, and this is the web3 provider, and here is the instantiation of DSA object, and here I'm just trying to set up the DSA account. So what I'm trying to do in the code is I will just try to deposit some ETH on Maker, and if and then I will try to estimate the cost gas, and if there are no errors, then I will just try to cast those bills. Otherwise, I'll just return the error. So let me just run the code on terminal. So here you can see that it has returned me an error saying that gas required exceeds allowance or always failing transaction. But this doesn't give me insight into what actually the error is. So I'll just try to simulate this transaction on Tenderly, and for that I'll be requiring this data variable. So let's just get back to the new simulation, and I'll be using use custom contract, and the raw input I'll just provide the keys data keys value, and in network I'll select the main net, and for the address I'll select the to address from here, and here I'll not use a pending block. So in the from section I will just give my each Ethereum address. So now I'll just try to simulate the transaction. So now you can see what the actual error is, and you can also see the whole call stack. So here it is telling me that the error is in the connect maker, and the error is in the line in the require condition, and here the problem is I have not opened any vault on maker, but I'm trying to access one, so it is showing me an error. And if you want to check all the contracts the transaction has gone through, so here you can check all the smart contracts. And if you want to check the gas usage, you can go to the gas profiler here. So now we'll just try to debug this, and I'll just add another spell in which I'll open a vault on Maker. So I've uncommented this section, and in this section I'm creating a vault on Maker. So I'll just run the code again. So now here you can see that it has provided me with the transaction gas limit, and now it is trying to cast the spells. So that means our error has gone, and we have correctly debugged the code. So let's just wait for the transaction, and I think it has happened. So that means our transaction went through and we have successfully debugged the code. So that is how you can use a Tenderly simulation feature for debugging. And if you would like to check the code which I was running on a machine, you can get its link from the description below. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.